Hello, everyone. I just want to welcome you back to Monetary Research LLC. Today, we'll be talking a little bit more in depth about inflation and what it has caused people, the problems it has caused people, and the many different things that's going on in regards to inflation, like who's buying silver, who's buying gold, the prices of each, gold and silver. Uh, And also, I'm going to explain a little bit more about the uh, America's printing of 40% of their money within just 12 months. But anyways, let's get started in the video. Into the video. So here I have this calculation here from the CPI inflation calculator. This is it's .gov, so it's an official. It's official. It's nothing fake. Uh, But to get started, first of all, $1 million in January of 1960, right? Which is the people that are retiring now or are in retirement, uh, in the present day. 1 million, say for example, if that person or that retiree or the person retiring that was born around, those years has $1 million today to retire. Okay, back in 1960 when they were born, that $1 million had uh, a buying power of almost 9 million. Okay, $9 million, 8.9 million. Okay, now you got to think about it. If this person way back in the day was getting paid lower wages, uh, you know, and everything lower in terms of money they're receiving from their employer, uh, for just money coming in as far as like income. Think about it. That one person now has $1 million to retire. It is worth pretty much nothing in today's uh, cash, in today's present dollar value. I'll calculate it right now as well, so you can see that. Um, But yeah, I just wanted for you to see with your own eyes how inflation is affecting the value of the dollar every single day. You know, uh, the Fed, like I said in the previous video as well, is printing so much money. It is ridiculous. They're pumping in hundreds, $100 billion plus, almost 180 billion dollars, if not that, into the markets to keep them afloat. Okay, I mean that is ridiculous. Also talked a little bit yesterday about the bills that they're coming out now in today's date. You know, they're not billions now. The bills coming out are starting in the trillions. Okay, and as you see in the depth in yesterday's video, hitting 28.8 trillion. You know, with I believe on top of my head 150% debt to GDP ratio. It's just getting ridiculous. Okay, that is just getting ridiculous, and the government still wants to move the debt ceiling uh, one more year to next year around this time. Okay, I believe you know it's so that they can spend more money. The party that's in there right now, they're trying to get something done. Uh, they're trying to get as many things done as possible while they still have time before the midterms. Okay, I don't want to get too political, but I don't think people are happy with what the Democratic Party is doing right now. Okay, President Joe Biden's approval rating fell It actually went up slightly this week to 43%, I believe, but it is still very, very low. People are not happy with his leadership and what his administration is doing to this country. So what they're trying to do is get as much of their agenda uh, accomplished before the midterms, because they know they're most likely going to be hit hard by the Republican Party, especially if the Republican Party uh, gets everything intact and starts advertising and getting their campaigns ready to rock and roll for the midterm elections. But anyways, I don't want to get too in depth into politics. Uh, that's not my thing here. Uh, Maybe later down the road I will talk a little bit more, but just want you to know that I'm not affiliated with any of those parties. Okay, I am an independent. But anyways, that is what I want to show you here. But now let's do the opposite. Um, so $1 million in January 1960 uh, had this amount of power in January 2021. But now, if you flip the years, this will become 2021, and this will become 1960. So now, $1 million in January 2021 has the same buying power as $112,000 in January 1960. Now that right there is a really, really big difference. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm trying to explain. The dollar is becoming worthless every single day. Okay? Every single day it is becoming uh, worthless. But anyways, guys, aside from that, I now want to get into the gold prices here. What has been happening to the gold prices? This is the max chart on Yahoo Finance. Let's see here, max chart. So here the prices went up. When was this? Let me see here. In 2008, surprisingly, the prices started to go up here, right? Okay. And then they fell down as the economy got better after all that, mess that happened during those years, crash, the housing bubble and all that nonsense. After, all that, stabilized and whatever, prices started to fall. Okay, gold prices started to fall. But now, as you come over here to 2019, 2018, and to the present day, what has gold prices, what have gold prices done? They have increased, just like here, in 2008 when all that panic happened. And you might say it's completely normal because of the pandemic. Yes, it is. Excuse me, it is completely normal because of the pandemic. However, I believe these prices are going to get even higher. Okay, gold, silver, and many different other metals out there are the prices are going to shoot up through the roof. And here's why. Before getting into it, I also want to show you the chart for silver. Okay, 5-year chart. As you can see here, 5-year chart has just gone from 1235 all the way up to 27 and 2813 all-time high. Okay, it is falling a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna fall for very long. I actually think this is a pretty good discount here. Okay, and the reason is that JP Morgan Chase, yes, the bank, okay, the big bank in the US, has increased its silver stockpiles by slightly more than 20 million ounces. Okay, 20 million ounces in since January of 2018. So this is, in the recent years here. So they know what is coming. Okay, they know what holds, what the future of the dollar holds. They have some type of reason, okay, to be buying more than 20 million ounces of silver. Uh, they know what's going to happen. They're the big banks. They have, anything you could think of, they have. Analysts, economists, professionals. They have it. They know it. They know this game. Okay. So this is just one thing that I want you to look at and keep in mind. J.P. Morgan Chase has increased their silver stockpiles by 20 million ounces since 2018. Okay. So, and also JP Morgan Chase now owns 53% of the total 261 ounces of silver held in vaults. Okay. So just keep that in mind. They own 53% of all silver held in vaults. Okay, 53%. So if they're buying, I think you should too. If the big banks are buying, you should be buying in as well. Okay, it doesn't get any better than that. And also, let's see here. Who is buying gold? Look at this. China is now the biggest consumer and producer of gold. China has only begun to buy gold again, which is also supporting its mining industry, blah, blah, blah. Prior to December 2018, the last time China bought gold was back in 2016. So then again, excuse me, I don't know why I pressed that. They are now just starting to buy gold as well, just like JP Morgan Chase is now recently buying silver. So if this doesn't tell you that something is coming, uh, a crash, a global crisis, economic crisis, everything that I have just showed you here, these are the reasons why you have to take care of your retirement funds, okay? Don't believe all these, 401k companies, uh, financial advisors, all of them, you know, they're just trying to make money and keep this going. That's how they make their living, commission. Now, do not listen to what I say. I'm not a professional. I'm not certified. I'm not anything licensed. I'm not licensed to be a financial advisor or anything of that nature. Everything I say, I do not hold any liability of what you do with my information that I put in your brains. Okay? What I say, you should not do. Okay? Never. So, with this said, I just want you to keep this in mind. China is buying gold. JP Morgan Chase now holds over 53% of silver, okay, that is holding vaults uh, because they know what is coming. And you also seen how much the value of the US dollar has gone down, okay? And it's just going to keep on coming down because, like I showed you yesterday, the debt, okay? Matter of fact, let me show you it one more time. Here, I accidentally said this was 150. My bad, my mistake. It's actually 125. Okay, 125.87. Okay, my mistake on that. But yeah, $28.8 trillion. Okay, so just want to show you that really quick. So, but yeah, anyways, I just want you to stay awake. Don't believe everything that's going on. Don't believe that everything is okay, because it is not. There's going to be some type of economic crisis in the near future. Uh, Michael Burry, everybody that uh, predicted crashes before, predicting a 9% economic crash in the stock market. So the crash is coming. It's just a matter of time. It's just when is it gonna come? When is it gonna get here? Also, another thing you can look at is the Buffett indicator. Okay, so I'll probably do that in a separate video, a little quick 5-minute video, just to go in a little bit more in depth about that. Uh, but yeah, just keep this in mind. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please email me at my email, monetaryresearch72@gmail.com. Also, if you want to join the Discord, there's a link in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, or if you dislike the video, go ahead and dislike it as well. But anyways, thank you very much. You guys have a great day.